So I have a lot of people actually ask me about my beard, which I think is, I'm honored, you know. And I actually did a TikTok video one time of like a whole regiment. But the reason I'm bringing this up now is because these are the beard products I use. They're from Barbudo. Yeah, Barbudo. These are the oil and beard balm. The reason I'm bringing this up right now is because I'm getting ready to go to my show that I'm doing at the Salt Lake Family Christmas Gift Show, and they're a sponsor there, and they have a booth, and so I'm gonna do a little bit of filming there to kind of show you guys them, because again, I love them. So yeah, we're gonna get into it, and it's gonna be awesome, and we're gonna talk a little bit about the beard product and why I love them. And I just love these guys, and they have a couple new products. So I'm kind of excited to kind of see what they've got and let you guys know. So let's get in the car. Let's go over to the Christmas gift show. No 3D printing today, but this video about the H2S, this is coming. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I started making that beard video yesterday, and it's today, which doesn't mean anything to you guys because you're watching this on the same video. But I just want you to let you know that it has been a full 24 hours since before we were able to like get here. Part of that was just because we were doing so much at the shows, but also like I've still been under the weather, and so like I needed to do stuff at home, and then I had to get stuff done you know, here at the show. And then yesterday was just really busy. Me and my wife got done, and we just were like, we just want to go home, and we just want to just relax and all that other stuff. So now I'm trying to find Barbudo, and we're gonna show you the booth for sure. If I have time to interview one of the guys, I will. Well, actually, it's not if I have time. It's if they have time.
How cute this is.
So we'll see. If they're not super busy, great. If they are super busy, also not great. But we're coming up on their booth, show you some of their products, show you what they're doing. And then, like I said, if we can have a little hello, how you doing, then we're going to do that. So let's go ahead. So we made it here, and this is the booth. This is where all the magic happens. This is where, yeah, there we go. So this is when you guys ask me what my beard routine is. This is the only product I use. What's really cool is I came here when they first opened, and there's this new thing that I know I have to get a hold of, which is this guy. I guess this is like an oil applicator, and it looks intense.
Shower scrubber.
Shower scrubber.
Shampoo and conditioner. Use it with your oil. You can use it with your butter. It's multi-purpose, man.
Multi-purpose. So, and then they have some like winter editions here, which are really cool. I had my wife come smell them so she could tell me which one she liked. The fall. She liked the fall. But yeah, they got everything. I mean, I have this beard straightener, which is really great. I need to get a new one of these brushes for sure. But they have everything. I mean, we're talking everything from the beard oil to the balm. We've got mustache grease. They've got beard butter, which is awesome. I might have to get some beard butter. They've got all of it. So yeah, this is just absolutely amazing. This is the #1 stuff I get. And you guys you're Utah based, right? So for anybody in Utah, they are Utah based, which is really cool, but you guys ship everywhere and everything like that. So this is great. Do you got a couple minutes?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yep. So yeah, I'll set this up, guys. We'll talk with him, and then we'll get going. Perfect. So I'll have you introduce yourself. Okay. So I gotta tell you guys, every time we did Harley meetups, this is where I first met him, was at a Harley show, and they were doing a vending booth thing, and obviously they said something about my beard, you know, over complimenting how great my beard is. No, I have a good beard, I know I do, but not like this. So yeah, tell us who you are, how this all started, and just kind of talk about that.
Yeah, for sure, man. So my name's Rich Evans. I own Barbudo Beard Products. I started it with my son, my best friend of over like 40 years.
Nice.
And my brother-in-law. So we decided we wanted to just do a family thing together just to spend time. And I decided on beard oils because I have eczema.
Okay.
Real bad. And so consequently, everything I use just destroyed me.
Sure.
And so I did a lot of research, found a mix of oils that really work well for my skin.
Yeah.
And consequently, it ended up working pretty good for a lot of people.
Yeah.
So we've been in business for 7 years.
Oh, yeah.
Sure, man. We've been in business for about 7 years now. And we're just still loving it, man.
Yeah.
I mean, we just love it.
Yeah.
And it's thanks to like our customers like you and, you know, it's just great, man.
It's awesome. Yeah. I mean, like I can say it's the best beard oil I've ever used. I think the thing I was looking for, I don't really worry about sensitive skin, but the thing that I was looking for and the thing that sold me was that it like absorbed into my beard really well, because I hated getting oils where it was like in there and then I touched my beard like 2 hours later and it was still just like a greasy mess.
Right.
And it was like, oh man, like this stuff sets in, it sets really well. And then it wasn't, I think it was probably like probably a year after I was using the oil, then you got me on like the beard balm and I was like, dang it, this is like a whole new thing. And then the straightener and all that, but that's awesome.
Yeah.
Now, so you do this is all full time.
So 3 of us are full time.
3 of you are
2
full-time.
of us still have our day jobs and
Yeah.
still do that. And you know, I love what I do in my day job. I really do.
Yeah.
It's also very masculine. I build trucks.
Oh, there you go.
So,
Cool. Yeah.
you know, I sweat testosterone.
Sweat
you know,
testosterone.
it is what it is.
That's awesome. I know. I'm such like a faker. Like I got my Harley, I got my beard, but then I like sit behind a desk and do like spreadsheets all day.
Hey, man. Hey, man.
I used to work on bikes, you know,
that's
stuff.
cool.
But
That's
cool. So is there anything that like you feel like? So I know you talked to me when I came in the other day. You got your beard or your butter now. That's like a newer thing.
So butter's been around a long time.
Butter's been around a long time.
Yeah, this
what was
is
there something new you're talking about?
Yeah, so we just came out with a new clay.
Clay, that was it.
Yeah,
That
it's
was
more
it.
of a styling product. It'll
Okay.
give it a matte finish.
Oh, cool.
It'll give it texture so it looks fuller than it actually is.
Oh,
you
sick.
know, so you guys with really thin beards will just absolutely love this. But it gives us some texture, some fullness.
Cool.
It gives it a matte finish so it's not as shiny.
Yeah, yeah.
And it gives it hold.
Sick.
Right? So
all of you weirdos out there with
let's
like the
see,
little
dude.
patchy weird beards, you need this clay. That's the clay that you need. Well, that's awesome. So where can they find you? Where can they get the product? Or can they follow social media? What's all that?
Absolutely. You can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, all the medias. Right?
Sweet.
But our website is all for the number 4 beards.com.
Okay,
So
perfect.
It's,
Sweet. So if you guys need beard products out there, and if you guys are looking, I'm hoping to have this video out before Christmas. So and all the ladies out there who need stuff for their husbands or boyfriends or whoever with beards, or if you got a beard, I don't really care. I'm not going to discriminate. You need good products. I seriously, guys, I can't recommend this enough. This is, I told you guys we're making this video because I've had so many people ask me about this, and I have to talk about this product. And it's just amazing, and so thanks, man. Seriously,
brother.
thanks so much.
I appreciate you, man.
Absolutely. Sweet.
Merry Christmas.
Cool. Merry Christmas.
Love that.
Appreciate you, man.
All right, guys, that was absolutely awesome. I got all my products. Like I said, I can't stop talking enough good about this. And this whole video was just dedicated to this beard stuff because I wanted to talk about. I mean, this is basically Bensky, right? We're not just talking about business stuff and other stuff. Like this is part of that other thing. We talk about honest reviews. We talk about, honest things here. And this is the best one. This is like, I have tried a lot of beard products. I love my beard. I try to take care of my beard as best as possible. And the fact that I have a product that I can recommend, and I'll be honest, I didn't actually know about the eczema story. I didn't realize that this was good for sensitive skin because, again, I don't have that problem. But now I know that not only is it good for sensitive skin, but it's just good in general. So, and it's good for you. They smell fantastic. And here, a little teaser. We did talk about a possible collaboration of basically Bensky beard oil. We'll do like a limited run with them, but I need your guys' help with this. We're going to just make sure this video blows up. We're going to make sure a lot of things happen for everybody, and we're going to move forward. So anyways, guys, I really appreciate you sticking with me on this journey. The last part of this video is going to be my actual routine. So stick around for that. I might be half shirtless. So let's just move on to the next part.